Hello and welcome to the show. I'm Andre and I'm co-founder of BotTalk, and today I'm going to talk about templates that we introduced a couple of weeks ago. And the templates are the way to kind of get you started very quickly with your first Alexa skills or Google Actions. And the way you do this is you go to github/bottalk/templates. And there are a couple of kind of templates or recipes out there. And for example, this tip of the day or house guest template or simple trivia game. So let's go ahead with a trivia game, and you can read what it does. With this template, you can build any kind of trivia game you like. In this example, we'll play movies trivia. And there's a dialogue example right here, open trivia game, and then there's an audio effect, welcome to the most insightful movies trivia game in the whole wide world. Do you want to start a game? Yes, sure. And then the rounds just go on, and so how do you create such a trivia game using BotTalk? Well, first thing you have to do is you have to obviously read the README, and then you should be fine. But in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna do it with you. So we click on the link on trivia game, and we see a couple of files right here. The first file is a main YAML file. We click right there, and all we need to do is a copy insights of this file into our BotTalk. Now I'm already in the dashboard. All you have to do is you go to bottalk.de and then log in, and then you click on the create new scenario, movies trivia game. It's gonna be in English. Then you go ahead with new. We're gonna create empty skill, and then click next, and then click on the finish creation and launch our new skill in the Shiny editor. So so basically you're gonna go ahead and click on the row just to make it easier. Copy and paste it all right here. One thing I'm gonna add here is the new file, new include called tests. By the time you will watch this, we'll already include the tests into the GitHub version. So you already kind of copied it and pasted it right here. Then second thing you want to do is, of course, you want to go ahead into the intents and copy the intents as well. So let me do that for you. Just copy it right here. And same thing goes for the slots, and there are a couple of there's one slot actually with 3 values. So you want to make sure that the formatting is okay. So you go ahead and I made a mistake right here, and that's why it is not saving. It's got to be tests, not test. So all content save, intents are there, slots are there, perfect. So what it does with the initial step, we send some audio response and welcome our users, and then ask a question if we want to start a game. And then with a yes, sure intent, yes, sure is okay, great, yes, sure, of course, and stuff like that. We will go to the next step, which will be the first question step. So in this step, in the first question step, we're gonna send a card first. This is a visual card that we're sending to Alexa app or Alexa Show device, or to the Google Assistant app. And then in this step, we're gonna say which movie has the quote "You can handle the truth," or is the quote "You can handle the truth" from. So, and there are 3 options, and we also send a text. Round 1, movie quotes, break, and stuff like that. And then we're waiting for user to answer with the first question answer intent. And let's see in the intents what are those answers. So the name of the movie was, and then there's a slot called first question answer movie, or just a slot, first question answer movie. And if we go to a slot, you could see that first question answer movie has 3 possible values: A League of Their Own, The Sixth Sense, or A Few Good Men. So if we go back to a scenario, you're gonna see that after the user has answered that, we're gonna go to a step called check first question. So in the name, in the check first questions tab, we're gonna make a comparison. So we're gonna compare the first question answer movie with the value, right, of the slot. First we're gonna go and make it lowercase, just in case, and then we're gonna compare it with A Few Good Men. And if it is true, then we're gonna go ahead with the first question is correct step, and if it's false, then we're gonna go with first question is incorrect, right? So in the first question correct, we're gonna set the context of current score. This is a variable that we're setting to 1. We're gonna play some audio, and we're gonna say, okay, that's correct, and some information about this movie. And then we're gonna go ahead with a question: are you ready for the second round? And then basically it just goes to the second question, and so on and so forth. If the answer was incorrect, the first question incorrect step, here we're gonna get a current score to 0, and we're gonna play some not this merry music, and I'm gonna say that it was incorrect, and basically ask if a user wants to start a second round, right? So this is it. And in order to kind of customize it, you can start off with the first question and check first question, and then first question correct and first question incorrect, and then move on with the second question, and you guessed it, second question check, second question correct, second question incorrect, and stuff like that, and just move on to and build this huge trivia game. So we already saved it. The cool thing is that we introduced the audio feedback in BotTalk. So you basically, when you run your random walker test, you're gonna hear what your scenario will be like before you even deploy. So let's try it out.
Welcome to the most insightful movies trivia game in the whole wide world. Do you want to start a game?
Yes.
Round 1. Movie quotes. I give you the quote, you give me movie it came from. The quote: you can't handle the truth. Which movie is this? A League of Their Own, The Sixth Sense, or A Few Good Men?
A League of Their Own.
That was incorrect. The correct answer is A Few Good Men. Your current score is 0 points. Are you ready for the second round?
Let's go.
Here is the second question. Just come up with some really cool stuff. Don't forget to put your answers in intents and slots. See you next time.
So as you can see, we basically didn't write any code. We just copied and pasted, and you've got a pretty solid pretty solid backing of your future trivia game, just with some copying and pasting, even if you are not so sure about the syntax of BotTalk. And yeah, so there are a couple of other templates out there, and I'll be recording some videos about them as well. And for now, I'm just encouraging you to go to github.com/BotTalk/templates and look for yourself how easy it is to create new Alexa skills and Google Actions with BotTalk using our templates. So see you guys in the next one, and have a nice day. Bye.